In this video I take on the challenge to stop chronic inflammation in its tracks. Can I find the best methods to tackle it head-on? Chronic inflammation is a hot topic in the health world, and for good reason. It's a condition where your body's natural defense mechanism gets stuck in overdrive, causing damage to your tissues and organs. And the scary part is that it can be silently wreaking havoc on your health without you even realizing it. From fatigue and joint pain to digestive issues and skin problems, chronic inflammation can make daily life a real struggle. Chronic inflammation is an epidemic that affects millions of people worldwide. It's estimated that up to 60% of the global population suffers from some form of chronic inflammation, and the numbers are only expected to rise. The challenges it poses are vast, from increasing the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease to impairing mental health and cognitive function. It's no wonder that medical professionals and researchers are scrambling to find effective solutions to this growing problem. The prevalence of chronic inflammation is staggering, and it's not just affecting older adults. Young people are also at risk, especially those who lead sedentary lifestyles or have poor diets. The consequences of ignoring chronic inflammation can be devastating, from organ damage and disability to reduced life expectancy. It's essential that we take a proactive approach to addressing this issue head-on. Chronic inflammation is a complex condition, and there's no single cause. However, research has identified several key contributors, including a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Lifestyle factors like lack of exercise, stress, and poor sleep quality also play a significant role. And let's not forget about environmental toxins and pollutants, which can trigger an inflammatory response in the body. One of the most significant contributors to chronic inflammation is our modern diet. Consuming high amounts of pro-inflammatory foods like dairy, gluten, and nightshades can lead to a perpetual state of inflammation. On the other hand, anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, turmeric, and ginger can help mitigate the problem. It's essential to understand the impact of our food choices on our bodies and make informed decisions to reduce inflammation. Another critical factor is our lifestyle. A sedentary job, lack of physical activity, and prolonged periods of sitting can all contribute to chronic inflammation. It's crucial to incorporate regular exercise, stretching, and movement into our daily routines to combat this. And let's not underestimate the power of stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. Environmental toxins are another significant factor in chronic inflammation. Exposure to pollutants, heavy metals, and chemicals in our air, water, and food can trigger an inflammatory response in the body. It's essential to reduce our exposure to these toxins by using natural cleaning products, choosing organic foods, and avoiding pesticides and herbicides. So, what can you do to combat chronic inflammation effectively? The first step is to clean up your diet by eliminating pro-inflammatory foods and incorporating more anti-inflammatory ones. Next, get moving by introducing regular exercise and physical activity into your daily routine. It's also essential to manage stress through relaxation techniques and getting enough sleep. Finally, reduce your exposure to environmental toxins by making conscious choices about the products you use and the air you breathe. Incorporating omega-3 fatty acids into your diet is another powerful way to combat chronic inflammation. Foods rich in omega-3s, such as salmon and walnuts, have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation. Turmeric, ginger, and cayenne pepper are also natural anti-inflammatory agents that can be added to your meals. It's time to take control of your health and address chronic inflammation head-on. By understanding the causes of chronic inflammation and incorporating actionable strategies into your daily life, you can reduce your risk of chronic disease and improve your overall well-being. Remember, chronic inflammation is a serious issue that requires a proactive approach. By taking the necessary steps to combat it, you can improve your health, increase your energy levels, and live a happier, more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your experiences or questions. If you're looking for more tips on reducing chronic inflammation, be sure to check out our next video.